Hi dear friends, welcome to MOOC 1 Google Classroom, and so far we have seen how we can reach Google Classroom through this 9 dots or the search bar. Click on Classroom. Here you are in your class. You can see all important tabs: stream, classwork, people, grades right at the top, and we have seen what we can do through this. We have added course material using classwork, and as you click on the create tab, you have various options of assignment, quiz assignment, question material, repost, and topic. So first of all, you add topic, that is about your chapter's name. So you can type in the chapter and you can post all related material under this topic. As we have done this, you can see on screen in previous videos we have learned this, how to add material using the create tab. Let us see what we have done so far. Put on the title, mention the description here, and you can add using Google Drive link file, YouTube, which we have already done. And today we will add material that is about your course using create tab, which is about Google applications, docs, slides, sheets, drawing, and forms. And let us post something using docs. As you click on this creates a Google Doc for you, which is exactly like your Microsoft Word document. You would find all characteristics and properties here. As you type in your material, whatever you want to post, you can do this in fraction of seconds. In a very little time you can design it. You can select the size of the font, the color of the text, and you can arrange it the way you want. As you can see on the screen, we would be having a absolute different session for this, how to create docs, and this is how your material is all ready to post. So what we do, select the class from here, select the students or all the students you can select, and then it is important to select the topic in order to organize your material. Now this material will go under the topic, the leaf. As you post and click here, you would see that the leaf venation has been added here under this topic. So it is easy for students to find out. Now let us use Google Slides to give material to our class. So as you click on slides, do the same thing, title, the description about the topic, and then you select create. Click on it, select slides. It would take you to Google Slides. Once again you would find the same features what you have in Microsoft PowerPoint. So it is easy for you to collect this and to create a slide here. So you come across various options, you can see it on screen and can explore yourself. We will definitely have a different session for this, how to create slides. Now you can see all options, and it's all about attaching all your various features here, whether you want URL or image or something else from your laptop. And you can see you can add the comments also. That is wonderful while teaching in the class. You can use all these options, and you have the layouts, you have themes prepared, PowerPoint slides where within no time you can create attractive PowerPoint slides which are ready to be posted to the class. So this is how you can select the layouts. Let me select a theme right now, because most of the time we have paucity of time. So if we get a prepared material here which Google has already done, it's better to select a theme from here, and let me choose this. So I'm gonna post some slides regarding the leaf, and it is about the types of venation. So let's see how can I do this. I've chosen this ready-made theme, and you can design it like you do on your PowerPoints on Microsoft PowerPoint. So you have all the features here. You can give different colors, you can put it in center or both the sides of the slides, or you can increase or decrease the font. So it is very easy and user friendly, and everything is being saved automatically. You need not save the content again and again. So it would there in Google Drive, everything that you make on apps here would be saved in your Google Drive. Let us add one more slides to it, and this time let me add an image here. The same thing, the same title you can put over here, and in the here you can also look for the titles and subtitles, and this is the image which I have added. You can resize the image if you want to put it at the center or anywhere on the slides. You can do that. So this is so easy and feasible for you to make a slide when you don't have time. And again, one more image let me put to show the students some important venations, and this is how your slide is ready to be posted to the class you select and the students and the topic. So it would send the slide under the same topic, the leaf. Here we post it and see. Both the topics, the presentation and documents are here under the topic, the leaf. So you can see it, the students can go through your presentations, and very importantly you can use it while you teach online on Google Meet. You can run the slide, you can use highlighter to explain each and every point, and student can see both the materials. So dear friends, it's so easy. Next time we see that how we can use assignments, quiz assignments, etc. using Google Form. That would be the upcoming video, so don't miss. Subscribe the channel to learn all this. This is Roma Smart signing off. See you soon. Bye bye.